I'm not surprised an Anteater made this.
Imagine us all running up to the $2 boba with our straws. Bam!
Hi, my name is Lilibeth and I'm a UCI Humanities alumna.
My name is Eliza and I'm a fourth-year literary journalism major.
Lilibeth and Eliza, today you're going to unbox the 2019 UCI Holiday Gift Guide. Are you ready to show the best products and experiences the UCI community has to offer?
Yeah.
Yes, totally.
Let's do this. Ooh, I wonder.
You want to take a look?
Oh, look at that.
This is so
So
pretty.
those are tea drops. Tea Drops was founded by UCI alumna Sashi Chandran. This eco-friendly treat is less wasteful than traditional teas, with the company motto, "Ditch the tea bag." Made with pressed tea leaves, spices, and organic cane sugar, the drops actually dissolve in hot water.
We have a lot of different flavors here.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna try the citrus ginger. This one has orange, lemon, and ginger. Which one are you gonna try?
Probably the rose one.
And they're shaped into a little flower. That's so cute.
You have 2 mugs of hot water. Why don't you
Ooh.
try out your tea drops?
Okay, here it goes. So it's supposed to dissolve, right?
Let me drop it in. Oh.
Oh wow,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
actually dissolving. I'm excited to try this. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's really good. It's
Yeah.
very comforting. It tastes like fresh orange zest, lemon zest, fresh ginger shaved into this tea. I love this. Let's see what we have here. So there's a box here. It's from Black Market Bakery. You want to open it? Oh my gosh, these are so cool.
Oh, look, they're so cute. Look, this little cookie is like a little wrapper.
Shortbread pirate. How cute is that?
These items are all from Black Market Bakery, which was founded by UCI alumna Rachel Klemick. With locations in Costa Mesa, Santa Ana, and San Diego, the bakery is a local favorite.
I'm really excited to try
Me
these.
too.
Let's see. I think.
Yeah. Take that arm.
That's very, very good. These are so fresh.
Very fresh.
I love desserts that aren't overwhelmingly sweet because you can actually taste the ingredients. I have to have this with my tea drops.
Oh
tea.
yeah, for sure.
Okay, that's literally perfect. It's a nice pouch.
Yeah.
So Green Turtle Company was founded by UCI alumna Christine Wynn. Green Turtle is known for its reusable straws.
Oh, these are straws.
And everyone knows that anteaters love boba.
Yes,
Yes, we do love boba.
These look just like boba straws. I'm assuming they are. Do you want to try these out?
Yeah, let's try them out.
This feels very fancy. These feel durable. These don't feel like they would break easily, which is a good thing, especially if you're gonna take these on the go.
Oh yeah, and I've definitely broken a few plastic boba straws in my life, even just trying to stab it into the top.
I'm not surprised an Anteater made this.
Yes, it was made for us. Imagine us all running up to the $2 boba with our straws. Bam!
Let's see. This is a whole bag. So this is, looks like makeup.
Yes, so this is Kosas Cosmetics.
Wow.
It was created by UCI alumna Sheena Yatenis. It's a clean cosmetics company that makes lipsticks, blushes, and foundations with organic and botanical ingredients.
Oh, wow. This is rose water. That is such a pretty color. It looks kind of like a natural lip color, which I like.
10-second eyeshadow.
Oh, I like that.
That's quick and easy.
That's
yeah.
literally the amount of time I have to do my makeup in the morning, so.
Same. Oh, look at that, it's liquid.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Look at that color, it's a beautiful color. Like a little copper, gold.
So this is a cream blush.
So Sheena Yatenis was actually a biosci major at UCI, and she incorporates her scientific background into formulating her makeup line.
Look at how pretty that is. That is adorable. It's very, very creamy. It's so light.
Oh, this is a lip gloss, look at that. Such a pretty color.
This brand is beloved by A-list celebrities, makeup artists. It's been featured in publications such as the New York Times, Vogue, and I'm sure you've definitely seen it on the red carpet.
That is impressive. I can see why. Cute. It's adorable.
Cute.
Benny Bear's Dream is a children's book written by UCI alumna Rachel Lamar. It tells the tale of a lovable stuffed bear whose dream is to be adopted by a little boy or girl. Lamar, who studied social ecology at UCI, was an adoptee herself.
This is adorable.
Yeah.
Just the subject, the illustrations, the writing. This is, here, I'll show you guys. This is perfect for like a bedtime story.
Totally.
It's heartwarming, and also please help children find forever homes. A portion of the proceeds go to foster care organizations and adoption programs. I think that's super adorable. I love knowing that, like, even when I like purchase something, that it's, you know, it has some kind of like ripple effect on the world, and this is definitely very cute. This is for the younger people in your life, the little ones.
Ooh, another book. Oh.
I know who wrote this.
I do too.
This is a book by UCI literary journalism professor Barry Siegel. It's called Dreamers and Schemers, and it's the story of Billy Garland, an ambitious young man who arrived in Los Angeles when it was a mere frontier town and played a role in its development as one of the world's greatest cities.
Dreamers and Schemers by our literary journalism professor, Barry Siegel.
This book is basically about Billy Garland and the 1932 Olympics. It put LA in the map. So LA, as we know it, as this huge city, is actually a really new city. It was created and inspired by these dreamers and schemers who kind of just came from all around the world, and Billy Garland was one of them.
And even the picture on the front. This picture was taken as an advertisement for the 1932 Olympics.
Oh.
And this is Santa Monica at that time.
That's so cool.
It's so cool, right, with the color and really just the whole advertisement.
This would be a nice gift for just anyone that's, you know, that's from LA,
right,
or Southern California.
Or even curious about
LA
and wanting to come here.
All of these items are, in general, like, everything seems to be very earth-friendly, very just emphasizing the natural in the world.
Yeah, and I think it's really cool that so many UCI alumni have made such creative products. For more information on these items and additional items, visit m.uci.edu/giftguide2019. Time to open UCI gifts. Boy, this box was hard to lift. Oh, I wonder what they'll be from alumni and faculty. Time to open UCI gifts. Which gift is the one I'll pick?